Watch this. When I first saw this thing, I had to zoom in because it looks so clean and real. This is not real. This is AI. I did this using an AI tool. Most face swamp tools don't do this. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this face swamp using an AI tool, and it's going to be a step-by-step guide. I'm not going to leave out any. Before that, there was something I did that made a difference. It changed the whole thing and it was mind-blowing. I'm going to show you that later, so don't skip any part in this video and stay tuned. Let's dive in. If you're new here, you're welcome. I break AI tools down into details for creators so that I can easily understand how to make use of AI tools. Alright, let's go straight to what we have today. The image on the screen is the final result we're working towards, so keep that in mind. I'm going to show you how I made this step by step. Don't forget, okay? The first place we're going to head to is Pinterest. In your browser, search for Pinterest. You can see the name here. We're going to Pinterest to get an inspo of the image we're going to use. This is my Pinterest. In my Pinterest, I'm going to search for cute African pictures for ladies. Can you see cute African face pictures for ladies? I'm going to search for this in Pinterest. There are so many of them. You're going to go through them and choose any one of your choice. Let us try this one. Click on save. Click on this three dots here. Click on download image. Then you save the image. Now that I've gotten the image I'm going to use for this, I'm going to head over to the next tool, which is Remaker AI. Find the link to Remaker AI at the comment section and also at the video description section. Well, I've gotten the image you're going to use. I actually got more than one image from Pinterest because I would not like to go back there over and over again. I want to generate many images. We're going to head over to the next thing, which is swamping the faces. To do this, I'm going to be using Remaker AI. And for you to download Remaker AI, find the link at the comment section or at the video description. Let us head into Remaker AI. This is Remaker AI on my screen. You can use it. You can use it on your laptop or your phone. You can also do it on Remaker website or Remaker app. I'm using the app. I'll click on Remaker AI. When you're using this for the first time, it's going to require you to sign up. So you're going to sign up. When you sign up on Remaker AI for the first time, it's going to give you free credits, which is about 30 credits. And to create one image costs about 1 credit. You see, it does not even cost much. So I'm going to simply click on photo swap. Click on this here. To do this using Remaker AI, it does not require editing skills or video skills or anything skills. It just needs 2 images. 1, the image you are going to use. 2, the image you are going to place the face on. You are going to click on this icon. So I'm going to upload the image I want to place my face on. Select gallery. I'm going to use this image. It's going to show detecting faces. That is, it wants to capture the face so that it can be able to replace the face on it. Then I'm going to click on this plus sign. Select gallery. Upload my image. That is, I want my image to be placed on this image I uploaded. I will click on swap. Okay, you can see every creation consumes 4 credits. Click on swap. It's going to take less than 30 seconds to be done. So you can choose to click on view later. You can choose to leave it. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. This is dope. See my image. Oh my god, I'm going to go ahead and download it. Click on download icon. All right, let us try another one. Go back. I forgot to show you that there are 2 ways you can do this. You can choose this first photo swamp or choose the second photo swamp. Let us also try this first photo swamp. The previous one I used was this second photo swamp. This time around, let us try this. Under this big icon, this place that shows upload original image, I'm going to click on it and upload the image I want to place my face on. Click. Select gallery. Then I'm going to upload the image I want to place my face on. I'm going to select this first one. Then I'm going to click on this small icon here, gallery, then upload my own image. Then I'm going to click on swamp. This one costs 1 credit. You can see that it's very affordable, it's very cheap to do this here. You can choose to view later, or you can still choose to wait for it. I'm going to wait for mine. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. You have seen that my original face has been placed on this image I got from Pinterest. This is how to swamp your faces using Remaker AI, and it's very simple and easy to do. You don't even need editing skills. Click on save icon and save this image because it's too beautiful. It has been saved. Let us do one more time. So I'm going to click on this. I'll go back. Let me use this other one, the second option, even though they do the same work. Let us skip. Let me try. Skip. No, I made a mistake. I clicked on video swap instead. Okay, let us try one more time. I'll click on, let me use the second one, photo swamp. Tap here, select gallery. Like I said, you can choose to view later, you can choose to wait for it. Me, I like waiting for mine. Okay, don't forget to use the link at the comment section or at the video description to download yours. This is dope, so I'm going to save it. Let us go back. I want to show you something. Whenever you are doing this, always ensure that you're using a very clear picture. If you're not using a picture that is very clear, it's going to affect your image, and it's going to make your image to be blurry, and it's going to make your image not to come out clean and clear. Okay, in Remaker AI there is also video swap, and in Remaker AI there is also video swap. I am going to be showing you guys how to use video swap in my next video. All right, you have seen how easy it is to swap images using Remaker AI. Now I'm going to be showing you the mistakes some creators make while trying to swap images. Remember, I said I should not skip any part of this video, so you not miss out on this. Number one, if you want to create images that look so real, if you check the images that were created, you can see that everything looks so real. The face, the body, the color tone, everything is rhyming, and it does not even look like an AI image at all. So if you want to create images like this, first of all, use a very clear image. Don't use image that is blurry, image that is dark. Use a very clear image. Number two, don't use image that was heavily filtered. Some of us use images that have been filtered, edited. If you use such image, it's not going to work. It's going to give you image that looks like AI, image that does not look clear. So in this case, use image that was not filtered a lot, that has less filter or less editing. Number three, camera angle. Camera angle can affect your generation. When you use image that was snapped from the side of the camera, it's going to affect your creation. It's going to make your creation look unrealistic. When you are trying to get the best out of Remaker AI using face swap, make sure that you obey these three things I listed above, and are going to create image that looks real. If you check our images, you will see that everything looks perfect. You can't even say that this was made with AI. Okay, so if you're going to try now this thing, you check out the comment section or the description to see the link to the website which you can use to try and create yours, because people are using this app to generate things, faceless videos, faceless images, even YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so don't have to tell me what you're going to be creating at the comment section using this Swamp AI. Also, don't forget that on my channel I talk about animation and AI tools. I make things AI tools very easy for you and for other creators. Do well to check out the next video where I'm going to be discussing more about Remaker AI. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, and tell me the next AI tool you want me to be teaching you on this channel. With that much being said, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for your support, and see you in my next creation. Bye.